We started the bank in 1995, the Quantum National Bank, and we have been operating here since 1995, and we also have a branch in Milton as well as in Buckhead, Georgia. We are quite happy to have this branch over here continuously operating since 1995, serving the customers not only from India but the entire community. And we are also participate in community activities here. Any social gatherings we sponsor, and we also sponsor Suwannee annual festival, and we also have some of the social gatherings happen inside the bank so that they can come and have their meetings, their gatherings, things for inside the bank. Okay, this is outside our bank, the Quantum National Bank. What you are seeing is how the drive-through system works, where a customer does not need to go inside the bank to do his business. He just drives in the car, and I will have Anu Patel explain, who is one of our good employees that deals with these issues. Anu, go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Neil. We basically have two drive-through. We actually have one that has a drawer right here, and we have a second one right here where it's a cylinder tube. When people drive up here, there's a sensor that the bell rings, and one of us will answer, greet the customer. The drawer right here, it opens up. The customer is able to put their transaction. We pull it in, and then we process their transaction, and we give them the receipt. The same way, this here is a tube right here. The tube, the customer can pull the tube out here, put their transaction in there, press the send button. It goes through the tube right here, and it comes out inside the bank. So once it comes there, we're able to greet the customer. The bell rings again. We process their transaction, put the receipt, and just send it right back here. And that's how the drive-through system works. We also have the ATM drive-through there behind the wall there. The customer is able to. This is also our night drop depository here. Customers, they can actually put their transaction here after hours when we're closed after 5. This is more mainly for business customers. They have keys to put bigger transaction, which is right here. If they just have a small deposit envelope, they're able to put this, pull this out like this, put their deposit in there and close it, which falls on the bottom, and there's a safe there. We're able to open it in the morning under dual control, and we process it.
I have Ms. Anu Patel explain about how our ATM system works, which is also drive-through.
Yes, this is our drive-through ATM here. Customers are able to drive right through without getting out of their car. They're able to take money out of their checking, savings, whichever account they prefer. They can actually also make a deposit through the ATM using their debit card, which they can deposit the envelope into here. We actually also have envelopes here. If they don't have any, they can put their deposit into it and just seal it and put it through here using their debit card. And then throughout the day, between 2 and 3 o'clock every day, we usually come into the ATM. We process the ATM. If there's any envelopes in there for deposit, we pull them out, we process it, and we also audit the machine and add money like once or twice a week. As you can see here, we currently have a customer in our drive-through window right now. He pulls up, the bell rings, we have a teller on the inside. She's able to, attend him at the window, and she basically pulls in his deposits and processes the deposit. And then we just give him his receipt, and anything else he needs, we're able to help him here.
This is a place where people come and make their deposits or get their cash back, and they can do a lot of transactions. They can sit here and apply for a loan and do a lot of day-to-day activities that they need for their business over here. And this being a Saturday, it doesn't look very busy, but during the weekdays, every desk is occupied, and it becomes a very busy place. As the technology improves, a lot of banking business is done electronically nowadays rather than coming in person. So years ago, we used to have long lines waiting to do the transaction, either deposit or take the cash out. whereas nowadays we hardly see people coming in because most of it is done electronically. They can do it by calling on the phone, do the transaction, or they can do through their cell phones, or they can do through their personal computers accomplish. For example, if somebody wants a loan, they can go to our website and fill up the application so that we can take that application down and then contact the customer. So a lot of the time is being saved by doing these things without having the person come into the bank. We can gather all the information, their tax records, get their personal finance statement, everything that we need electronically, study them before we get to meet the customer finally. So Anu and Shandini, how was your day today? How many customers did you have?
We lost track of customers.
Customers, okay.
Yeah,
All
I mean,
right.
it was pretty consistent.
Pretty
though.
consistent,
Yeah, it was.
I saw several of them, and
Most of them were deposits or cashing out.
it's been anything extraordinary today.
Well, no,
Yeah.
we're two of us. Like
Yeah.
one person handles the teller side, one handles the customer service side, and we try to help each other out, answer phone calls. We
Yeah.
do like internet banking, debit cards, anything like that. We try to do over the weekend. Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yep, and that way the
Good.
customers can be taken care of
Yeah.
efficiently. So, yep.
Okay. And some of the work you have to finish on Monday when
Yeah, anything
start back.
we do. Yeah, anything we do over the weekend, it actually rolls over for Monday.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it gets so people can actually come on a Monday too if they
Monday.
can't make it today.
Make it
'cause
today,
It
yeah.
gets posted on the same business day.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Good. Thanks. Thanks for a good job.
Thank
Thank you.